Okay, am I alive? Can someone hear me? Okay, no one's there yet. That's cool. So I guess it's just me today. That's okay. We are going to do something cool. I'm gonna delete the scene and yeah, I think we're going to create a space scene today. So if you got anyone's live, you can say hi here in the chat, and we might actually do something cool. We're planning to create a space scene, and yeah, that's actually the plan. So if anyone's here, you can say hi. Let me get my chat over here. About chat and what am I doing? Okay. If anyone says, you can say hi. So we're going to start by creating the rocket. I think it might look something like this. I can start with the cylinder as well. Let's go with cylinder. And give it 16 cuts probably. Or 8. Yeah, better. Alright. Add a subdivision. Loop cut. Okay. Right. Maybe we'll make this a little bit more pointy on the top. Right. Okay, that looks better. Think I might add another cylinder. X90 and I can add a subdivisions of this as well and add a few loop cuts like that and delete the back face, of course. We don't need that. Maybe I can scale this way down. Yep. Shade smooth. Okay. Face lock mode. E to extrude. Right. Yep. Much better, I think. Hey, what's up, bro? We are making a sort of like a mini rocket kind of thing. We are going to create a space scene. So we're gonna start with the rocket. So yeah, that's what we're making right now. So I think I better save the file. So I'm gonna go to my desktop and I'm gonna call this space. I probably should have all this in this new asset control thingy, as just have assets so that I can use these in multiple files. That's actually pretty cool, but right now I don't really have a lot of time. I kind of feel like never mind, we'll just leave it like this. I'm gonna duplicate this, shift D, P selection, separate this into its own object and add a mirror modifier, add a y-axis as well, and I think I might delete some of these. Okay, that looks weird. Maybe we can scale this down a little bit more. Okay, that's wrong. I'm gonna add this local GUI. Okay, we should add one of these. Delete this. Extrude in. There we go. Extrude again. And local, normal, yeah. Finally. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna add this as well. Now I can also make this point a bit more pointier. I think these are like the rocket jet thingies. I don't know what you call them, but you know, we're gonna duplicate this. E to extrude. Select these. E. Okay, this is too far. I think I should get this close. Let's get it close. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Feel like it's much better. And I'm gonna separate this as well. P, and I'm gonna add a bevel and put it on top. Right, looks better. I wonder if I actually messed up the normals, because it kind of looks a bit messy, and yeah, I feel like I have. So we'll have to go check. Yep, it's a mess. Okay, that looks better. Right. It's kind of looking weird a bit. Okay. Now we have a little spaceship going over here, I think I can separate this into its own object and push this in a bit and maybe something here. Add a bevel here, add a bevel, add a edge loop here, and hey bro, what's up? I just saw this. And yeah, we're starting to get something. Feel like I should scale this up a tiny bit. Maybe scale this up a tiny bit as well. Don't know if I'm getting what I'm actually going for, but I feel like I can add these down. And scale this down. I wonder if we have a lot of views today. Do we? Let's see. Can't remember how to check this. Oh, we have 1. Oh, we have 3. That's awesome. Hey guy, hey, you're from Russia. So I've been actually doing 3D stuff for about 5 years now, and I am from Sri Lanka. Do you know where Sri Lanka is? It's actually a small island right next to India. Oh, we have 4 viewers. Cool. So that's awesome. That's awesome. I remember. I think you were there last week too, right? I just couldn't talk. I mean, I couldn't understand what you said last time, and yeah, it's awesome that you actually went through this whole procedure just so that you can send it to the chat. It's awesome. Thanks a lot. It's amazing. Okay, we have 5 viewers, I feel like. So I think the spaceship is almost done, and we can do the texturing a bit later. So I think I might also move this here. I'm in top view right now, and move this here. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, I'm sorry, you don't? So how are we going to make you feel comfortable here? Unfortunately, I can't speak Russian. That's the only problem. How do I do this? I'll send it in the chat. Thanks a lot. Oh, thanks, man. Top Job Tunes. Thanks a lot, bro. I should check. yep. Also, if you guys have your work and if you guys want me to go through your Instagram or your work, you can post your work in our Discord. I think I have the link in the description, and we have a whole channel for your work, your Instagram, and in the end of the stream I will go through them, and we can discuss about your art and maybe how you can improve, and we can do some cool stuff like that. And yeah, so make sure to put your links, put your artwork down there, and all guys who are in the community, you can rate them, and we can do something cool with that. So that's something fun. And yeah, I'm almost done with the rocket also. Yep, you too. So yeah, the Discord channel is slowly growing. I think this is my second week actually. If you guys, some of you guys can help our Russian brother out, and just if he's asking a few questions, I'll just put them in the chat. So what's his name? How do I do this? Okay. Thanks a lot, buddy. I am from Sri Lanka, right next to India, and I have been, and yes, of course, I've been working with Blender for 5 years, and yes, I do earn because I work as a freelancer. Okay, that's done. So if you guys, again, another reminder, you guys can post your stuff in the Discord server, and at the end of the stream we'll go check them out. Also, I got a new light. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's that. Right, I think I'm gonna add all this into one collection. Move, new collection, spaceship, and we have it in a new collection. And also, if I'm gonna move this, I can add a parent and move it along. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it, and I'm gonna create a few planets. I think I'll add a UV sphere and add the subdivision surface modifier with control 2. I think this might not take long. We might actually create a few characters also. I was thinking maybe a space turtle. What do you guys think? What kind of characters do you guys want me to create today? Maybe something cute, something small, something that wouldn't take me a lot of time. What do you guys think? And I think I'm gonna add an empty. Hey, Oleg Almon. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. Okay. You guys want me to create a cat? Yeah, I have a cat actually. Her name is Angel. I think we can make Angel today. Yep. So I use this trick. It's not a trick actually. I don't really parent all these objects together. What I do is I create an empty, and then I use the empty as a way for me to move these around. So yeah, that's what I do. What do you guys do? Let me know. So I think I should add my camera as well, so that I can have my scene going. I should add my camera, and okay, that's too close. Have it somewhere here. Right. And I think I want my spaceship to be somewhere in the distance. A little bit of distance. Shade smooth. You can add auto smooth also. Let me add auto smooth. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Wait. Well, if I'm doing animations, I use constraints, but since this is not an animation, not really for this. Not for this. For animations, yes. Most of the time, even to get animation, you know, loops, camera animation, stuff like that, I use a lot of that. So for something like this, I think it's enough. Then I'll have my spaceship somewhere else, planet somewhere here. Spaceship, I can make this a bit smaller and maybe rotate this like that and add another. Yeah, mainly for animations. For most of my, I think I have a tutorial in my channel where I've used constraints to animate the camera with the object. It works really well. Shift D. I think next week in my live stream I should do a satisfying animation. What do you guys think? So I think I might have to do a little bit of prep then. Well, I think I should push these in the horizontal as well. This, I think we can go a little further back, and this, yeah, you guys think it's cool? Yeah. Okay, that's something I'll think about. And this we can bring to the front. This again we can put it to the back, and then I have to do a little bit of eyeballing and figure out where I would want my objects to be. Maybe I can scale this a little bit more. Scale this down. Let me scale this up. Right. Right. Yep, should try that. Haha. I don't really have that many clients, so that in a way that I am actually capable of employing someone, but I'll think about it when someday. Right now, hi buddy, what's up? Also, what are you guys working on these days? What are you guys doing these days? Well, here in Sri Lanka there's a lockdown going on these days, and yeah, I'm stuck at home. And have a few projects going on, but it's a bit boring. I don't go out much, but you know, it is a bit boring when it's boring. Right. I think I might add a particle system. Are we going to use geometry nodes for this? I don't know. I haven't played with geometry nodes yet. I think I didn't get a proper project for me to play with geometry nodes. So I think we are going to use a particle system here. Yeah, we'll use a hair particle system. And yeah, I'm gonna make this about 20 and might use, I know I should get into it. I still couldn't check it, you know, still couldn't check it out because I didn't have a lot of time with work. But then I am getting a few projects, so I think I should be able to. Geonodes are really fun. I saw people doing really cool stuff with them, and unfortunately I still couldn't get into it. That's awesome. Well, is it like a freelance project, or how is your film going? Or is it just a fan film with a couple of your friends? I was actually working on a Star Wars film project too, but then again with client work, it's real tough, guys. It's real tough. It takes a lot of time to make these kind of animations. Let me know if you guys want to see some of the models I've made sometime back, but we'll see. Once we're done with this, we'll do something. We'll have a chat. Yeah, I know. Should definitely check into geometry noise. What am I doing now? I totally forgot. Okay. I'm adding the objects. So object, what am I gonna call this? Via particle, something like that, just something random. And object, I'm gonna call it this. Okay, it is a bit weird, not gonna lie, but let's see how we can make this look better. Okay, that just got weird. So what I'm gonna do is increase the scale a bit and show emitter, and I need to spread them out a bit. So how am I gonna do this? Vertices, yeah, use the vertices. And okay, this actually looks okay, but let me get my camera and viewport display this. It's better. This is kind of a weird planet, but it's okay. We need some weird planets as well. I think I should add some rings here. Oh, that's cool. That's actually cool. You should send me a link as well. I'd love to see what you guys are doing. You should definitely send me a link, bro. Because Star Wars fan films, I love them. I even tried to make one myself, but then with the time, it's really hard. But then one day, I might. You never know. I'm gonna add the rings. Add some rings here. And Shift D again, scale up. E, scale, E, scale. Alright. We have a few stuff going here. I'm gonna press R twice and get this, and I might add the same stuff to this moon. Should I? Not moon, this planet actually. Shift D, scale. Okay. Yep, for sure. I think I should add a moon to this as well. Something like a moon. We'll add another sphere here, and that might actually look like a moon. So what I'm gonna do is Shift S, add my cursor, and add a sphere. No, we'll type out already mode and add a sphere. Shade smooth. Right. Let's see if the normals look weird. Because right now I feel like the normals are a bit weird. Yep, the normals are weird. That's what happens when you extrude like the way I did. So I'm gonna select these, Alt N, flip my normal. Yep, I'm gonna add a displacement to some of the closer ones so that they look kind of different and cool. I think these ones, of course, we can change the blue ones and flip them again. And then L, Alt N, flip. Alright, that looks better. Even this one. The closer one, this one, we can add a nice displacement modifier, in which will actually look really cool. Let's add our displacement. Where are you? Displacement, displace. Oh, there. I haven't played with this. Actually, I couldn't do anything in Blender for a while. So, textures. Let's do it. What are we going to create? No. We'll just use something we already have. Clouds. Okay, that's too much. Clouds are actually good, but let's play with the cloud settings a bit. Yeah, that's looking cool. We can add some asteroids somewhere here, right? With the displacement modifier. We can add 2 displacement modifiers also. But then I feel like I can duplicate this and add some asteroids around. And we can add a little moon. Mind if I send the invite link on? Yep, sure, you can do that. Thanks, bro. Okay, why is this affecting this? Okay, it's the same texture. Right, I totally forgot. So I think I have to go to this here and press 2. Now I think I can play with the texture and yeah, and the scale also. Yep. Let's add some asteroids. You know, make them, place them randomly so that they don't look like duplicated. Awesome, thanks, bro. I hope you wouldn't get banned because Discord doesn't let you share links, right? I'm not quite sure. Also, let me know in the Discord server what kind of stuff you like to see next time we do in a live stream, so that maybe all of us can get together and do something cool in the live stream, and maybe, you know, collaborate and do something cool, some cool artwork, something like that is also fun. I feel like we can do something all together, all of us, and maybe do some kind of a challenge, which will also be kind of cool. Now we have the scene set up. Let's just go to rendered view and check how it looks. Kind of looks weird, but for now, yeah, we can add some color. Yeah, later. Yep, let's do a challenge. We'll plan something cool. Yep. Okay, now I feel like adding some cute character, maybe a small spaceman, but I have to find some reference images of a spaceman. Let's do that. What do you think? Let's check some spaceman. Are we going to create someone like this? Or are we going to create a character? Like an animal? I think we wanted to make a cat, right? Oh, that's awesome. And you're actually really good, right? Okay, he wants a space cat. We're gonna do a space cat. Let's find a space cat. Okay, I think I like this one. This is also kind of cute. This is even better. Okay, this looks kind of cute. What do you guys think? I think I like this one. And yeah, let's do this one. He has a tiny gun. He's also kind of cute. Boop. And we have a lot of cute cats in this one. Even this one looks real nice. And he got something different going. Yeah, if we can wait, I think we should create a planet that looks like this. I wonder how we're gonna do this in Blender. Maybe we can use Booleans. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Until then, okay, let's see. Yeah, which one do we pick? It's either this one or this one. Yeah, let's keep it simple and fast. So we can do something pretty fast in the amount of time we have. So this one looks easy peasy. I think I'll make her a new file. And we'll use our default cube to start off things, and I'm gonna delete this side. Add a mirror modifier. I didn't do a lot of character work in quite some time. I think we should have this open. I'll have it open here. Did I tell you that I bought a light? How do I add this? Sculpt is, yes, I do sculpt, but it's, I tend to model straight away because sculpting takes a lot of time, and then having to do retopology again is kind of messy. So I mean, you can do it, but then when you are a freelancer, clients don't really care about how you actually do it. They just want it done as soon as possible. So especially in Sri Lanka, they don't care at all. They just want you to do it somehow as soon as possible. So lately, I mean, I haven't been doing a lot of sculpting. So yeah, that's the only thing. Or else, of course, I love sculpting, but then polymodeling is kind of faster. So cute kitten. Well, we're going for cute, so let's see if it'll work. Haha. Oh, Baijen, of course. Yeah, I should check it out. Thanks, man. I'll definitely check it out. And now, think I'm gonna select all this and just do smooth words once. Let's see. It's not kind of looking smooth enough for me. And we have to do her ear. Wondering whether to extrude it out from here. Shift D, E. I didn't actually snap them. I just extruded it out from this mesh, and it's already snapped. But yeah, so that's it. But you know, I haven't snapped them yet. But it's just I extruded it out from here. Yeah. And the ears look kind of too small, but yeah, you got me. Might be a little wider. Right. I feel like I can do a little bit of let's see if this works. Nah. Maybe sort of like a snout. Just extrude this out. Will it look weird? Kinda looks weird right now, but let's see how it'll go. Okay, it didn't go that bad. No, did it? Oh yeah, we can actually do a little piggy. We're kind of getting the shape of a little piggy. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we're kind of getting a piggy. But then it'll kind of look kind of cool because I haven't done a pig. Also, then we'll have to flatten his nose. And yeah. And the ears actually look like a pig more than a cat right now. So yeah, there you go. That's a piggy. Haha. Now we have perfect little piggy. That was a quick change. Right. And I think I can. Yeah, I know. I mean the ears. I was actually gonna shape them into a cat, but then I think the space pig would be something different. Because nobody ever thinks of a space pig. Do we have space pigs? Let's just see. Okay, I'm curious what. Well, okay, we have few different kind of ones, but I don't think we have someone like this. We'll create someone cool. That's fine. Almost original. Well, thanks for the idea, bro. I think we can make the ears a tiny bit more smaller, but right. Yep, looks much better. Right. Much better. Now I think we can create his suit. That I think I can add UE sphere and drag this down. do this. Well, that's a different spacesuit, but let's see. Sophia head. Now let's do wireframe. Or we can delete this and add a Sophia. Let's make this 16:8 so we can control this much a bit easier. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Well, ideas today, honestly, I was going through a few pictures and I thought, let's do a space scene. And then the pig idea just came up from you guys. We were planning to, I mean, I wanted to do some character, but then you guys were like, let's do a cat. And then the cat kind of looked like a pig. And then we thought, let's make it a pig, right? So ideas, you just throw ideas in and we pick what's best for our design. Ideas aren't hard to get. Trust me. I have like so many video ideas right now. If you guys see my Notion, let me show you guys my Notion. You can learn Blender. It's actually really cool. Blender is so easy. Yes, I do have not exactly a job because I'm working as a 3D artist. I mean a freelancer. So I do get freelance projects a lot. And it's not just Blender. I do all kinds of work. So you guys can see here my tutorial ideas. I think I have a few, and oh my god, I wish I had the time to make all these, but I mean I have a whole section for just ideas. And yeah, I have a million ideas. It's just I don't have time to make them. Oh yeah, I think Oleg Alonum, I'm really sorry bro if I butchered your name, wanted to make it a pig. So we're doing a pig now. We changed so fast while you were eating. Haha. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna add a small tiny cylinder for I'm gonna add a mirror modifier tag into it. Oh no, wait. Before that, I'm gonna add a cylinder again and make this 6 so that it's easier for us to control. Where control rotate. I'm gonna add the eyes also, but maybe I'll add the eyes in a bit. We are going to add a subdivision. Control 2, but then I'm gonna delete this face this face here. Oh, you change. Yeah, I did. I'm reading the old comment again. Well, forgot to add our mirror modifier. Mirror modifier here. I'm gonna rotate this and might extrude this out a little bit more. We can scale this into a space hand. Maybe I'll add a thumb somewhere here. Yeah, I can add a space foot also. I'm gonna just shift D and duplicate this and use that for his feet as well. Don't worry guys, we're gonna make this look better. Just give it a few minutes and we'll make it look a bit better than what it is right now. Looks terrible. Shade smooth. Shade smooth. This kind of looks hollow inside, but we'll add some detail inside. I think we'll do it last. What are we gonna do? Control B. Okay, I'm gonna scale this in. And bevel this. And Control B to bevel this. Okay, push that up. Push this down. Add another edge. Right. Okay, that looks okay for now. Okay, I think I should probably delete all this. And wait a sec. I'm gonna delete dissolve the edge. Oh no. Let's do this. Dissolve edge. Dissolve edge. Let's do it like this. How are we gonna do this? E, scale it in. Right. Okay. Control B. Let's add 3 loop cuts. Control B. 3 loop cuts. Control B. 3 loop cuts. Control B. 3 loop cuts. Shade smooth. Alright. Now I'm gonna add the subdivision surface modifier. Oh no, not this. Subdivisions. Okay, there you go. Now it looks much better. Yep. And Okay. Right, what else can we add? Maybe I can add a few. Let's see. Can add cube. Don't know whether this will look weird. Yes, of course. Edge crease is one way you do that. But sometimes you don't use it. I don't know why, but edge crease is certainly one way you can make creases. I'm gonna add a mirror modifier here. Edge creases, I haven't used edge creases in a while, but when I'm doing characters, I sometimes use them when I need sharp edges in like places like the jawlines and stuff like that, and I don't want to add more geometry. I do use a lot of edge creases and stuff. But other than that, it's mostly when I'm doing characters, because some of my characters tend to get a lot, too much geometry, and when we're rigging and when we're doing stuff like that, it gets a bit annoying. So now I'm gonna add a Boolean, and let's see whether this will work. Booleans tend to get a bit weird sometimes. So where is my display? We put display, let's make it a wire. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let's make this the wire. Yeah. Yep. Looks decent. I'll just drag this out a bit more. And let's apply this. Oh no, I think I should have. Okay. What are we gonna do? We're gonna apply the subdivision surface modifier, because usually you wouldn't, but then for this you might have to, or else it'll look weird. Now it looks cool. Yeah. Now what can I do here is add some geometry. Now I'm going to add F3 bridge. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, edge modeling. You call it all kinds of stuff, but it's just plain vertices and stuff. Oh, I think one of you guys followed me. Also, just a small reminder for you guys, again, you can post your stuff, your Instagram handles, your work here in the showcase channel in our Discord server. So maybe once we're done with the stream, we can check some of your work, and I'm guessing it'll be a lot of fun once we're done with that. Once we're done with this. Okay. Now I think I'm going to have to make his feet. Before that, I'm going to delete this face. Actually, I'm going to delete all those. We have a weird thing going here, so I'm going to delete the face again, and select these two. I just create a face, right, and E so that it becomes flat. You have some nice feet. I think we can make this a little bit more thicker, right? Shift, bit more thickness. Right. I totally should have actually done this when I started. But I'm just gonna put this into his neck. And I think I might have to pull these in a bit, because since this is going to be a glass material, I feel like his head might look a bit weird. Yeah. Now let's see. Alright, now let's see whether this looks okay. Yep, that looks kind. Yes, I do. So far, this is what we have. Now let's work on his hand. Even for the hand, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna delete this face and select this edge, this edge, and at this there you hand a hand without fingers. Just the thumb is enough, because we're going for a cute guy, a cute little pea, aren't we? And most cute piggies only have one hand, I mean one thumb, not a lot of other stuff going on. Okay. Now I think we have to add his eyes. He does, I know. This, I feel like this is enough too. We'll add his eyes. I'm wondering whether to keep his eyes open or closed, because in the reference we have closed eyes. Okay. I feel like joining this into one mesh also, but then again, never mind. Okay, clipping. Okay. It's kind of cool. Maybe this. I'll add his eyes somewhere in between. So for his eyes, I'm gonna add a simple sphere. Thank you. Hey, Rian. Did I say your name right? I hope I did. I'm terrible when it comes to names. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna add the subdivision surface here. And add the mirror modifier as well. Oh, it's not working because I think I have to set the origin to the. Let's do cursor to world origin and object origin to 3D cursor. Now there you go. I know I butchered your name, right? Yep, closed eyes would be interesting as well. I think we have a closed eye picture in our reference, isn't it? Let's check. We'll see how it looks. We'll try both. We'll have to add some eyebrows or else it looks weird. I'm gonna make him smile a bit too. So maybe add a little piggy cheeks somewhere. So I feel like making this a separate object for now. And apply this so that we can add some piggy cheeks and stuff like that. All right. Okay. This got a bit weird, but let's smooth it out. I think I can. Right. Let's see if this looks okay. Let's go to cycles, rendered view, and we'll add environment texture just to see how this looks. Textures, and where's my environment texture? This guy, I'm gonna add black eyes, and roughness is almost 0. Space suit, no, we'll make it white. And I don't know whether a spacesuit is reflective or not. So let's keep this going. Yep, cool. So this is what this looks so far. We can add this, and we're gonna make this a glass material. Where's the glass material? There you go. And make it roughness 0. But then it kind of looks super weird. I don't know why. Yeah, because glass is a bit weird. So going here, and we're going to change this in a way that it fits. I think this looks better. Or are we gonna make it just 0? Oh, it doesn't work. Yeah, I think we should go with 1. 1 it is. Maybe we should add 1.01. Yeah, the IOR, I mean. And then I should add a transparent BSDF and a mix shader. This helps a lot to get the, can't remember the setup properly, but then I think we'll just go with a glass shader. I'm gonna add this guy into his own collection, or we can just call this B. Yeah. And we can add another texture here, call it metal, and increase the metallic value, decrease the roughness a bit. Maybe I'll make it 2, and select this ring with control, and assign that. Also, I'm gonna add a wave texture, and color him. Shall we do rings? No, bands look fine. No bands. Yeah. So make this constant. Yeah, something like this. I think I'll hit this up here. Yeah, that's a quick and easy way. But then I think I can also add some other texture here because it kind of looks a bit weird. We'll try adding a, can we add a brick texture? Control T. It kind of looks weird from the sides, but hey, do we have time? I'm gonna add the same metal, but then press 2 here and not have the wave texture on any of these. I'm gonna fill these in. Okay, much better. What color is a pig? Pink, right? Is it? Do we have pink animals? Pig. Is a pig pink? Can't think of a color. So let me check. Let's add some color to him. Okay. And the snout, we can make this a bit darker. Same color, but a little bit darker. You can hide this. Now, dark. These, I'm gonna push them in. Two. Assign. Okay, that's a little piggy. Wonder if I'm gonna add eyebrows. Yeah, I think we should. Well, there are a few problems, I feel like, but then, do we have time? I'm gonna do a metal run here as well. I'm gonna add some eyebrows. Oh my god, chat is actually working. Yep, pink pig, yes. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't check the chat. Also, you guys can check, you guys can join the Discord, and where's the Discord? Ooh, that's a nice one. A sword. Is this, I think this guy joined Blender, started learning Blender like 2 months ago, and he's doing a really good job. Real good, man. You guys can post your stuff here. We have a channel, showcase channel, your Blender work. You can post it here, and yeah, we'll check it out after the feed after the live stream is done. So that's gonna be cool. So I think I forgot to add his eyebrows again. So eyebrows, I think I might make out of his head. Shift D and E to extrude G in L P and out. Oh, I'm gonna add a loop cut in the middle. 3 here, extrude out, scale down, no, select this also and scale down. There you go, eyebrows. I think we should delete the inner section. There you go. It's coming together, isn't it? We'll make him look a bit happy. He looks kind of pissed off for some reason. Okay, now we have eyebrows. I'm going to delete all of this, add a black material here. I think I'll make it a little bit more like this, a bit smaller. Okay, piggy's done. Let's get to the scene now. I think still I can make it a little bit more smaller. I don't know. Something's off. I don't know what. Trying to figure out what's off, but just can't figure it out. Okay, this looks fine. I know. Just get used to it, bro. You'll get used to it, trust me. Just give it a few more, like maybe another 2 months, and you can use the shortcuts like a pro, trust me. Just give it a few more months. Just keep doing what you do, watch live streams, stuff like that. And in a few, yep. Yeah, that might actually work. Let's see. Yeah, this looks kind of cool, kind of different. Yeah. So we have the collection. I think I might add an empty to this guy as well. And select everything. Control P. And there you go. We have a little piggy in an empty. And where did I close Blender? Never mind. I'm gonna have to open Blender. Where is Blender? Space. And append. Append collection. Piggy. We have a piggy now. We are gonna rotate this guy a little, as if he is rotating in space. Okay, this is kind of cool. Now if we check our scene, this is what it looks like right now. We don't really have anything going on. So let's make this kind of bluish, dark color, but we're gonna add a sun lamp. Or since we want the light to come hit his face, we might have to play with this glass material a bit. Glass can get really noisy and really messy sometimes. Okay, now let's add some textures here. I'm gonna add this noise texture, and let's add some cool colors. Also, I feel like making the world a little brighter. Yeah, something like that. And okay. Now let's play with this. color ramp. Let's make it constant. Okay. Now I have to create another material, and this we can add an emission. I think I might add an emission here. Emission. L assign. Yep, that's an emission shader. And I'm gonna put this scene in the Discord, and I want to see what you guys come with. I'll post the scene on my Discord because I'm a bit sleepy right now. It's actually 3:30 a.m. here. Also, I'll put it up in the Discord, and you guys can actually finish the scene and upload it, and maybe tag me on Insta, and I'll leave a comment. And also, I'm gonna finish the scene tomorrow and post on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me there. And yeah, so let me know, what do you guys think? I think that's a kind of cool way to end this off today. What do you guys think? Yep, cool, sounds great. Thanks guys. So I'm gonna save the scene space, and I'm gonna drop it on my Discord. I'm just gonna put it here in the general tab. Space. Upload. It's uploading. Yeah, I know. Thanks guys. Thanks for sticking with me. So also join the Discord, and you can also showcase your renders here. Trying to build a small community, get things going. Let's see how it goes. And this is uploading. And yeah, I'm actually planning to do these live streams every Saturday, so make sure you guys catch me next Saturday as well. And maybe the best render who finishes this, who does something cool with this, maybe you can add your own models, do some really cool stuff, and let's pick someone. We'll just give you guys a badge or something on Discord, and rank you as first place winner or something. That will be fun, I think, if you guys want to do something like that. I mean, it's not a must or something. I mean, we don't have gifts or anything as of yet, but maybe sometime in the future, hopefully. But yeah, so thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'll catch you guys next week. And I'm actually planning to do a tutorial this week, so hopefully if I have time I'll be able to do it. But then I'm definitely gonna have a live stream next week as well, so see you next week. Bye. Yay. Thanks man.